Now I am talking about conditional formatting. Right click on the name of Gantt chart and customize column and status. Double click. OK. Now go to status column, right click and conditional formatting. Add by values. In value column, put planned. Click on background and give a background color. OK. OK. Put rule name. Planned activity. OK. Now again right click on status, go to conditional formatting and add by values. Give values. Started. Click on background. Give background color. OK. Started activity. Now go to add by values. Put a value. Finished. Give background color. OK. OK. Finished activity. OK. Now you can see in Gantt chart finished activity, planned activity and started activities or all are in showing in colored. Now I am showing this conditional formatting color coding in 3D object. For that, go to 3D view properties, general, color mode and task table column and select using column as status. Now we see the color mode of conditional formatting. Now you need to show the legends in 3D view properties. For that, go to 3D view properties and legend. Click on show legend. Now you can see the legend showing in the 3D view properties. You can modify this formatting of status. You can change the location. You can change the background color. You can change the text color. You can change the content font size, title font size, etc.